Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. And an update on Tellor. We're updating it again. We're doing a full analysis technically and fundamentally a little bit, even though that's, yeah, I mean, there are not a lot of fundamentals supporting the rally here, so it's just other technicals that we'll take a look at. But we'll do a full overview. I mean, TRB has been quite bearish ever since Tuesday morning. Like, it has dropped down quite significantly, basically already started on Saturday. But for those of you who know TRB, you know that this is not necessarily the end yet. All right, so we'll talk about that, and just in general we'll talk about the probabilities of this being the end, or whether it's still a bit likely as well that it will continue going up. All of that, that's what we'll talk about. Before we dive into that though, I do want to tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, and I'm a profitable trader, but you also gain access to my own trading guide and a chat room full of traders. If you're interested in that, consider joining. The links will be down in the description, and there's also a transparent profitability report every month if you want to check that out. But like I said, links will be down in the description. Now onto TRB. So what we're seeing technically is actually quite logical, because the last time I covered TRB, what I said is that TRB would probably drop down towards this level right here between $42 and $40. But as long as that level is still support, there's still a chance that it will be bullish. All right, so that's kind of what's happening right now. Like, that support has been found, that support has been touched. And now the big question is will TRB bounce back up from here, or is it just a temporary support? Temporary bit of a retracement right here from the down from the bearish momentum, or will this continue and make TRB bullish again? Now, if we take a look at some numbers around the open interest and the volume over the last let's say month, all right, so then we have most of the numbers, then you'll see that the open interest and the volume have been dropping down quite significantly. Like, the volume is getting towards, no, the volume is actually still way higher than it was Tuesday the 26th of September. So that was obviously right here. Volume got very low, volume was very low, and that allowed TRB to skyrocket up again. So now the volume is still relatively high, but the open interest is actually dropping down quite low. Like, the open interest is down to the levels like the 21st of September. So this is relatively bullish, since it means that momentum is being lost. But if you then take a look at the last 24 hours, what you'll see is that the open interest is growing a little bit, and the volume as well. So it's definitely not said and done yet. And personally, I think the answers will lay in the technicals, because what TRB will probably do is it will test this level right here between $46 and $47. And that's, in my eyes, that's the most important level. So right here, and it will get up there. And personally, like, if I take a look at that open interest and the volume, you definitely see that TRB is losing momentum, but it's not gone yet. So personally, I would just await the reaction. Like, I think the most likely scenario is that it will find resistance there and drop back down towards $40. All right, and then we'll see the reaction from $40. Like I said, as long as $40 is still support, there's still a possibility that it will rally up. So the thing to watch is after TRB hits that area, will it drop down towards 43 or 42 again? If yes, then that's confirmation that there's, that's bearish confirmation. So then it will probably drop back down. Where on the other hand, if TRB barely finds resistance there, then that's perhaps confirmation that it could break above that level. And if TRB breaks above $47, where before you know it, we're up to 50, we're up to 52 again, and the whole bullish momentum is back. So that's what we'll have to await. That's what we'll see probably in the next 24 hours or something, or at least in the weekend. I'll keep you updated on that if you're interested in that. But for now, it's my take on TRB. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.